Good afternoon, guys. I'm Kinuel Basay from BT502 in STI Caloocan. I'm here doing my task performance in information assurance security. So let's get started. I'm giving one example: assurance and equals to DVVXUDQFH. Quasar cipher shift 3. So I'm giving the example assurance. First letter is A, shift 3, 1, 2, 3. So the answer is letter D. Next one, letter S. This one, shift 3, 1, 2, and 3. So the answer is letter V. And the other one, letter S, is also letter V. Letter U, shift 3, 1, 2, and 3 will become letter X. And letter R is letter R. Shift 3, 1, 2, and 3 will become letter U. And letter A, again, shift 3 will become letter D. And letter N, also, shift 3, 1, 2, 3, letter Q. And letter C, shift 3, 1, 2, and 3 will become letter F. Letter E, shift 3, 1, 2, and 3 will become letter H. The Kaiser cipher is to get the output, you will do shift 3. Example, letter A, shift 3, 1, 2, and 3. So the shift 3 of letter A is letter D. That is Kaiser cipher. And that's all. Thank you, guys. Bye.